2024 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years for investors. The US markets are offering a wide range of opportunities to grow your wealth, but with so many options, where should we invest our money? Should you focus on stocks, real estate, or maybe try your hand at cryptocurrency? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 5 most popular investment options in the US for 2024. We'll give you detailed, actionable advice on where to focus your investment strategy this year and how to take advantage of the market trends. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more valuable financial tips that will help you reach your goals in 2024. Stocks and ETFs. Let's start with one of the most well-known forms of investment, stocks and ETFs. Every year, investors are drawn to the US stock market, and 2024 is no different. However, what sets this year apart is the rise of certain sectors that are poised for significant growth. One of the hottest sectors right now is artificial intelligence, AI. Companies at the forefront of AI, such as NVIDIA, Alphabet, Google, and Microsoft, are leading the charge in this technological revolution. NVIDIA, for example, has seen its stock soar due to its dominance in AI hardware and chips, which are critical for training machine learning models. If you're interested in the future of AI, this sector could be a game changer for your portfolio. Clean energy is another booming sector. With the world moving toward more sustainable solutions, companies focusing on solar power, wind energy, and battery technology are expected to grow exponentially in 2024. For instance, companies like NextEra Energy and Tesla are not just focusing on electric vehicles, but also building sustainable energy ecosystems. If picking individual stocks feels overwhelming, ETFs offer a way to diversify your investment while focusing on these high-growth sectors. AI-focused ETFs like Global X Robotics and AI ETF, BOTS, or Clean Energy ETFs like iShares. Global Clean Energy ETF, ICLN, allow you to spread your investment across several companies, reducing risk while still tapping into market potential. However, it's not just about chasing the hottest trends. To build a balanced stock portfolio, you should also consider more stable, large-cap companies that have historically delivered steady returns. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson continue to provide solid returns even in uncertain market conditions, offering a safety net in your portfolio. While AI and clean energy might be grabbing the headlines, don't forget about healthcare stocks. Advances in biotechnology and pharmaceuticals are opening doors for new treatments and innovations. Biotech ETFs, such as the iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology ETF, IBB, give you exposure to this exciting sector without the need to pick individual winners. Real estate. Next up, we have real estate, a tried and true investment that has been creating wealth for decades. While 2023 saw rising interest rates making real estate a bit more challenging, 2024 presents new opportunities, especially for those looking to invest in rapidly growing regions. In cities like Austin, Texas, Miami, Florida, and Phoenix, Arizona, the demand for housing continues to grow. These cities are seeing large numbers of people relocating for job opportunities and quality of life improvements. As a result, property values are expected to continue climbing, making these areas hotspots for real estate investment. But buying physical property isn't the only way to invest in real estate. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a more hands-off approach yet. By investing in a REIT, you can earn dividends from real estate investments without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties yourself. In 2024, REITs focusing on commercial real estate and logistics infrastructure, such as Prologis, which specializes in warehousing, are expected to perform well as e-commerce continues to expand. Another interesting trend in real estate is the rise of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb. Investors are increasingly buying properties in vacation hotspots to rent them out on short-term platforms. While this strategy can offer high returns, it also requires active management and careful consideration of local regulations, as some cities are imposing stricter rules on short-term rentals. If you're not ready to invest in a property or a REIT, real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or CrowdStreet are another option. These platforms allow you to invest in commercial and residential projects with lower capital requirements, making real estate more accessible than ever before. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has had its share of ups and downs. But in 2024, it remains one of the most popular and talked about investment opportunities. The crypto market has matured significantly since its early days, and while it's still highly volatile, more and more investors are seeing it as a legitimate asset class. The big names, Bitcoin and Ethereum, continue to dominate the space. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold due to its scarcity and the growing belief that it can act as a store of value. On the other hand, Ethereum has become the go-to platform for decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts, which have the potential to revolutionize everything from finance to real estate transactions. But beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, altcoins are also gaining traction. Cryptocurrencies like Solana, Polygon, and Avalanche are offering innovative solutions in the world of Web3 and DeFi. Web3, often touted as the future of the internet, aims to decentralize online services, giving users more control over their data and digital assets. While crypto can be incredibly profitable, it's also important to remember that it comes with high risk. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and the market is still relatively young. Diversifying your crypto portfolio and using only a small portion of your overall investment capital in this space can help manage that risk. Bonds. Bonds have often been seen as the safe investment option, and while they may not be as exciting as stocks or crypto, they play a crucial role in a diversified portfolio. In 2024, bonds are making a comeback as interest rates remain high. Government bonds, particularly U.S. Treasury bonds, offer a guaranteed return and are considered one of the safest investments you can make. These bonds are backed by the U.S. government, so there's virtually no risk of default. In 2024, 10-year Treasury yields are expected to remain attractive, offering steady returns for conservative investors. Corporate bonds are another interesting option. While they carry slightly more risk than government bonds, corporate bonds from large, stable companies can offer higher yields. Companies in industries like tech and energy, which are expected to perform well in 2024, could be particularly attractive for bond investors. For those looking to maximize returns while still managing risk, bond ETFs like iShares, U.S. Treasury Bond ETF GOVT, or Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF BND can provide diversified exposure to the bond market without needing to pick individual bonds. Alternative investments. Finally, let's talk about alternative investments. In 2024, more and more investors are looking beyond traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Alternative investments such as art, wine, and collectibles are gaining popularity as they offer unique ways to diversify your portfolio. Platforms like Masterworks allow everyday investors to buy fractional shares of high-value artwork, something that was once only accessible to the ultra-wealthy. Similarly, platforms like Rally offer fractional ownership of rare collectibles like vintage cars, rare cards, and even sports memorabilia. These types of investments can serve as a hedge against inflation, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Rare items tend to hold their value or even appreciate, providing an additional layer of security in your portfolio. While alternative investments can be exciting and potentially profitable, they should make up a smaller portion of your overall portfolio. These assets are typically less liquid and can take longer to sell, so they're best suited for long-term investors who are okay with tying up capital for extended periods. These 5 investment options – stocks, real estate, crypto, bonds, and alternative investments – can help you diversify and grow your portfolio in 2024. No matter your risk tolerance or financial goals, there's an option here for everyone. What's your next move? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more ways to stay ahead in your financial journey this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.